Cadet Reynard and Presbytero, a second-year British Marine student here at the University of Cebu Maritime Education and Training Center. When we talk about the essence of religion, based on Aristotle's idea, it's not just about being happy or rich, it's about living with purpose and virtue. A good life is achieving with practice good habits like honesty, responsibility, and self-control.
Biodiversity. Biodiversity is like a massive natural safety net that keeps us alive. By working behind the scenes to provide clean water, fresh air, and the food we eat every day, it also acts like a giant pharmacy, giving us the ingredients for almost all of our medicines. When environment has a rich variety of plants and animals, it stays balanced, which helps to stop natural disaster and preventing new disease from spreading to humans. So, protecting nature is not just about saving animals, it is about securing a safe and stable future for ourselves.
What is genetic engineering? Genetic engineering is a powerful technology that allows scientists to modify DNA to improve crops and treat diseases. Tools like CRISPR enable precise gene editing, offering hope curing illnesses such as cancers and genetic disorders. In agriculture, it helps crops grow faster and resist pests, supporting food supply. However, it also raises about ethical concern about safety and long-term effects. Overall, when used responsibly, genetic engineering can improve lives and create a more sustainable future.
Nanotechnology is the science of manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level, usually within 1 to 100 nanometers. At this scale, is co- at this scale, material can have unique properties, making them stronger, lighter, or more reactive. For example, nanotechnology is used in medicine to deliver drug to affected cell, improving treatment for disease like cancer. Nya, lahi na sad sa kuan. It is also applied in electronic, where smaller or more efficient devices are developed, and in environmental protection, such as a cleaning polluted water.
Climate change is one of the biggest challenges that our world is facing today. It happens when harmful gases like carbon dioxide trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, causing for global temperature to rise. Because of this, we experience stronger typhoons, rising sea levels, and extreme heat. But we can still take a simple action like saving energy, reducing waste, and protecting our nature. Climate change is not just our world's biggest problem, but it is also our responsibility. The future of our planet depends on what we do today.